Hello friends, I am Dr. Aditi Sapovadia, working as pediatric ophthalmologist and skin surgeon in Netradeep Hospital. So today I will show you how to instill drops in your eyes. First of all, wash your hands thoroughly. Shake the eye drop bottle properly before use. Also, observe for any damage in the bottle. Now ask the patient to sit properly with chin elevation, or ask the patient to lie down and keep pillow below the head. Now open the bottle cap, remove the ring from the bottle, again close the cap hardly so that the eye drops bottle will open. Now push the bottle to see if the drops are coming properly. Avoid the contact of dropper tip to the eye. Now gently pull the lower lid with the help of index finger to form a pocket for the drop. Now hold the bottle at around 3 to 4 cm away from the eye. Ask the patient to look up and press the bottle gently so that one drop is put in the eye in the pouch. Now ask the patient to close eye for 5 minutes. Avoid blinking and squeezing of the eyes. With the help of sterile wipes, clean the surrounding of the eyes. If you have prescribed more than one drops, keep the interval of 5 to 10 minutes before instilling the second drop. Now close the tip of the dropper properly and wash your hands thoroughly after installation of drops. Thank you for watching our video.